Hi, this is David. Mm, right now, I'm studying business administration in Javeriana University. Administration processes and theories is the subject that I have chosen for the English project, second and third part. Well, um, the organizational theory gives us the tools to analyze and understand how a huge, powerful firm like Lehman Brothers can die and a company like Bank of America can emerge almost overnight as a giant in the industry. Organizational theory helps us as well to explain what happened in the past as well as what may happen in the future so that we can manage organization more effectively. The Of course, organizations are not static, so they continually adapt to shifts in the external environment. Today, many companies are facing the need to transform themselves into dramatically different organizations because of new challenges in the environment. And that's what we learn in this subject. What is important in this subject to my career? Well, actually, as business administrators, we face numerous challenges daily life related to these kind of questions. How can the organization adapt to external elements as competitors, customers, government, and creditors in a fast-paced environment? What strategic and structural changes are needed to help the organization attain to effectiveness? Um, how should internal conflict be managed? So we can go to the hardest things to the easiest things. Well, today many companies are facing the need to transform themselves into dramatically different organizations, as I was saying, because of new challenges in the environment. The world is changing more rapidly than ever before. Well, all of we know that. And managers are responsible for positioning their organizations to adapt to new needs and to get their own organization into the top of mind of the customers. Some specific challenges today's managers and organizations face are globalization, intense competition, um, ethical scrutiny. Well, this is very important nowadays. The need for rapid response of, I don't know, for challenges that we face in order to, managers need to do quick changes to shift so we can be like resilient. Digital workplace and of course increasing diversity is very important nowadays. Well, as business administrators, we expect either to do entrepreneurship or to be so successful in a company that you became a top manager. These are the two goals, the two general goals. Well, in the second case, we know top managers give direction to organizations. They set goals and develop the plans for the organizations to attain them. The purpose of this subject is to help us understand the types of goals that organizations pursue and some of the competitive strategies managers use to reach those goals. Well, I wanted to put this organization chart in the presentation because I think it's very important. This is like the summary of the subject. What we can see, I want to explain it a little bit, is that actually, um, according to external environment and to the internal situation of the organization, checking the DOFA like strengths, weaknesses, the past performance, and as well the opportunities and the resource availability. The CEO or the top management team, either one of those, they define the mission and the official goals the company or the enterprise or the organization wants to achieve. They 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 set the competitive strategies to actually get on top of the market, to be a profit organization, and with the human resource, the resource availability, everything that actually surround the company. They define things such as the organizational culture, the information, the control systems, so they can, after some different processes, achieve the goals and check the efficiency and the goal attainment afterwards. And basically, this is a cycle, as you can see in the chart, that companies do normally annually. Well, the choices top managers make about goals, strategies, and organization design have a tremendous impact on organizational effectiveness. Top managers and middle managers must select goals for their respective units, and the availability to make good choices largely determines firm success. This is obvious. And the theory explained on this subject is used to implement goals and strategy and also determine the organization's success. Um, Finally, um, this subject provide learners an overview of strategic management. It helps us to examine different frameworks for determining strategic action and look at how strategies affect organization design.